It's sold out, babe. Don't leave me behind now, because they'll fucking peck me, won't they? Keep them fucking lanky birds away from me. Oh, don't. Oh, there's one coming in there too. Wait one. I'm not going past there. How fucking evil they look. Oh shit. Oh babe, wait. They can sense my fear. Oh fucking hell. Don't linger. Just get the fuck out there.
How are you feeling?
Alright, away from them big overwhelming birds. I can't film properly because I gotta keep an eye on where I'm going so I don't step on a bird. Oh! Ooh. Oh whoa, they put snakes on you in there.
Open.
Did they put big snakes on you in there?
Yeah.
Fucking what's the matter there? Oh fucking hell man.
I want a picture with a snake.
Do? I'll have a photo with a snake when I go on the nudist beach naked, innit? More like a slug.
Yeah.
What's in there now before I go in? What's that? It's like a big turd. Oh, did you see a little move then? Like a little hiccup thing it done.
Digesting its food.
Don't think got the colours up, I mean I'm gonna friggin' eat you.
Oh, it's one and the other, because one of them just tried eating him.
Well, if they don't, babe, if they don't give a fuck about each other, then they don't give a fuck about us. Right, let's go there. Quick, move on. That one's not in a cage. He just escaped and he's intent on causing danger. Oh, overhead.
That one.
Yeah, fuck off.
What a big scaredy cat, isn't it?
I know. That means it don't like you taking this picture. Oh, fucking hell.
There's another one there.
Ah, fuck, quick now before it comes towards us.
Oh my god, you are so funny.
You're fucking big, innit? You fucking hell.
You're tiny.
Fuck off. I can handle little birds, babe, in the street. You just fucking scrape the ground and they fly away. These birds are like fucking territorial, innit? They're like... Look at how I was trying to escape. Careful. I'll watch where we walk, okay?
I'm not the one scared of the birds, Mike.
You're not birds, eh? We fucking... pterodactyls, but... Oh, look. Oh, fucking hell. Come on. I'll just walk at their pace, okay? Oh babe, it's a dead end. Come on, back to me, see.
I'm just showing everyone what you're scared of.